What's up, guys? Name is Josh Jackson. This is just so weird. What's up, guys? Name is wow. People don't talk that way. Yeah, that's not gonna work either. What's up, guys? Josh Jackson here with another awkward day of you getting used to me, getting used to being in front of the camera, getting used to. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with that one. Yeah, that one's good. So currently, I manage a local game shop here in town, Level 7 Games. We do everything from the original Nintendo all the way through the new generation PlayStation 4 and Xbox One. And most of the day, we're super busy. We have lots of customers. The business does really well. Right now, a little bit of a lull. I kind of like it. But I also feel like I should probably do something with my time. I should probably do something a little more worthwhile than just spinning around in the chair and watching YouTube. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna find something to do, and let's go. And now we're gonna fix a PS4 lens. So here we go.
I could see this through. I could wait another night. One more night, one more night. I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay.
It's in the coffee. I just ruined my coffee.
One more night, one more night. I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay.
There's one fun thing that Sony does consistently, and that is changing everything constantly. So even like the smallest little thing, like this ribbon cable, will be just slightly bigger on this one versus this model. Even though they're the exact same drive, everything is exactly the same except for the fact that that one ribbon cable is different. It could be the same exact year it was made. For whatever reason, it is a different cable size, and it's super frustrating. So now I gotta call around to see if anybody has a drive. Here we go. Also, I don't condone Starbucks. Hey, do you guys have any PS4 drives over there? Okay, bye. That's helpful. I wonder if I have any here. Let's go on an adventure. Okay, now I know around here, oh my god, there's shit everywhere. Somewhere we have a store PS4. I'm just gonna rip it apart, steal that drive if it fits. The problem is, I have no idea where this thing is. It could be anywhere. So, I'm going to take a look. And somewhere. That's normally where they are. We have all these like pieces. Wonder. Found it. Ha ha ha. Rest in peace. It's different. It's different. I was so hopeful. I was so hopeful. So upon further inspection inside, I found that the drive itself and the daughter board itself are actually too far gone. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to call this guy. I already sealed it back up, but I'll show you. On a good drive, it should have gold plates like that. And the one on there, two of these were ripped off inside of the little board that goes on top of here. That board is irreplaceable. It's flashed to the motherboard, so if one is replaced with the other, this will never work again on that specific motherboard unless you flash them together. We can't do that, so I'm gonna have to call this guy and tell him it's dead, which really sucks. I hate that. All right, so the lull passed, and I got just bombarded with trades. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these away, get everything priced, cleaned up, ready for tomorrow, because by the time I'm done, it's probably gonna be time to go home. So this is probably the end of this, whatever these are. So you guys have a great night. Peace! What's up, everyone? I'm just kidding. I'm not doing that.